Hello students, welcome in 10th math class. Today we are going to study similarity. Last year we have studied area of triangle with using formula half into base into height. With this formula, today we are going to study ratio of area of two triangles. In this example, you see that triangle ABC, AD is a height and BC is a base. In triangle PQR, PS is a height and QR is a base. See here, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. BC is a base and AD is a height. Like that, in this area triangle PQR, half into QR into PS. QR is a base and PS is a height. Next, if we get cancel this and this half for upper side and half from lower side, then we will get that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD. BC is a base and AD is a height, and QR is a base and PS is a height. Hence, the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their base and corresponding height. Base of the triangle is B1 and height is H1. Base of the another triangle is B2 and height is H2. Then the ratio of their area, that is triangle's area, that is B1 multiplied by H1 divided B2 multiplied by H2. In this, we are going to study another condition. If the height of both the triangles is equal, then see here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here H is the height. In this triangle also H is a height. So that area of triangle ABC is equal to BC is a base and H is a height. And in the another triangle, that is PQR, in triangle PQR, QR is a base and H is a height. H and H cancels, remains what? This triangle's base and this triangle's base. So that is BC divided by QR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to B1 and area of triangle PQR is equal to B2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 divided by B2. The property, the ratio of area of two triangles with the equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. Next, another condition we are going to study. See here, there are two triangles. If the base of both the triangles are equal, then in this triangle, triangle ABC, and another triangle is APB. See that AB is a base common to both the triangles. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to AB into H. AB is a base and H1 is a height. And another triangle, that is APB, that is AB into H2. AB is a base and H2 is a height. AB is a common, so that it gets cancelled. What remains? H1 and H2. Then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle APB is equal to H1 divided by H2. Property is that the ratio of area of two triangles with an equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Next, we are going to study example. That is, we have to do the activity in this. We have to fill some blank blocks. In this, we see the triangle ABC, A, B, C, and another triangle is APQ, APQ. According to scene properties and condition, we are going to study what is the common here. See that in area of triangle ABC, BC is the base of this triangle and AR is the height. In another triangle, that is APQ, in this also PQ is a base and AR is a height. Here it is taken, this is a base and AR, and in here PQ is a base and AR. AR common, so that it gets cancelled. Remains what? BC divided by QR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle APQ is equal to BC divided by PQ. In another example, see here, two triangles are constructed in one triangle. That is, area of triangle LMN and area of triangle DMN. In this, what is the common? See, in these triangles, MN is a common base, so that it is with the height ratio we will see. This is area of triangle LMN is equal to Mn into LP. Divided by area of triangle DMN is equal to Mn into DQ. This is Mn and Mn is common, gets cancelled, and therefore it remains that there are heights, so that LP divided by DQ. In another example, see, this is the figure. In this triangle, triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of BC and M is a midpoint, so that AM is equal to MB, and this is midden. Therefore, we will see the CM is a midden, and area of this triangle, triangle AMC divided by area of triangle BMC is equal to, height is the same. If we take a perpendicular from there, this point, then height will be same, so that it is according to their base. The base is also same. AM is equal to MB. Therefore, AM divided by MB means it is same, that AM divided by MB is AM only, so that it is 1:1. Then we are going to see the next example. Here we can see two triangles. One triangle is A, B, C, and another triangle is D, B, C. In these triangles, AE is the height of triangle ABC and DF is the height of triangle DM, DBC. So that we see that AE is perpendicular segment BC. See here. Then next, D of perpendicular line BC. D of is perpendicular to this BC. The value of these things are given. AE is equal to 4, DF is equal to 6. Then find out the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC. Solution is that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AE divided by DF. Base are equal, hence the area proportion is to height. Therefore, A's value is 4 and DF's value is 6. It is taken AE divided by EF 4 by 6. We divide into, it gets 2 by 3. In next example, we are going to see that in a triangle ABC, D on the side BC is such that BC is equal to 6, BC is equal to 15, and find the area of triangle ABED is to area of triangle ABC, and area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ADC. See, these are the two triangles. One triangle in this first thing, that is ABD, ABD, and another triangle is that ABC, ABC, full triangle, big one. In this, we will see that given things, BC is 15, DC is 6, therefore we have to remove the BD. BC is given here, so that to remove the BD, BC minus DC is equal to BC's value is 15 and DC's value is 6, making minus, we will get BD is equal to 9. Therefore, their height is same. Both the triangle height is the same. Therefore, its area proportion is with the help their base. Therefore, area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to ABD divided by BC. That is, value of BD is 9 and value of BC is 15, is to get 3 is to 5. In another ratio, this is area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ADC. Here we will take the value of it, area of triangle ABC, BD's value, that is 9, and area of triangle ADC, DC's value is 6. Dividing, it gets 3 by 2. Height equal, hence area proportion is to base. Next example, see the parallelogram. This is parallelogram, and in this, P is any point on the side BC. P is any point on the side BC. Find the two pairs of the triangle with an equal area. Therefore, here you see that AD parallel BC, AD is parallel to BC, and DC is parallel to AD. Here AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. In this, see, the base is same for both the triangle and height is same for both the triangle. Therefore, their area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD. The next example we'll see in this, in a figure, triangle ABC, point D is on the side AC. If the AC is equal to 16, DC is equal to 9, and VP perpendicular AC, then find the following ratio. We are going to study this first example, area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABD, see here, ABD, and another triangle is that ABC. So that here BP is the same height. Here it is taken that area of triangle ABD, its base is AD, and area of triangle ABC, its base is AC. Its value, AD's value is 7 and AC's value is 16. Triangles having a equal height. Like that, another triangle, we'll see that in second example, area of triangle BDC divided by area of triangle ABC. See these two triangles ABD, A, B, and D, and another triangle ABC. In this also, there is height is same. So that area of triangle BDC divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to DC divided by AC is equal to 9 divided by 16. Their height is equal. In another third example, area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle BDC. Means its ratio, we have to see that area of triangle ABD, its base is AD, and area of triangle BDC, its base is DC. Its value is 7 divided by 9, having same height. So that we are completing this. Thank you.